guys, I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing my daughter Nyla's hair. I do her hair once a week. Usually it's on a Sunday right before the beginning of the week. All of the products that I'm using will be listed down in the description box. But I'm starting off with detangling her hair just because during the week I usually don't have much time to detangle. So by the end of the week on Sunday, her hair is in definite need of some TLC. It definitely makes a big difference when I do detangle her hair first versus when I don't. If I just threw her in the shower and washed her hair before detangling, it would be a knotted mess and we both literally would be crying. So I like to go in with Curl Piece. It's a great detangler. You just want to be mindful that you're washing it completely out of the hair. For a while I didn't realize that I wasn't washing it out, and her hair began to get really dry, and for the life of me I could not figure out why her hair was as dry as it was until I started shampooing her hair twice. I usually shampoo her hair once, but when this stuff is in her hair, I usually like to go in a second time just to make sure, or even sometimes a third time, that the product is completely out. As you can tell, I use a lot of it in her hair just because if her hair is fully saturated in it, the Tangle Teezer brush glides through her hair a lot easier. That's another thing. I do use a Tangle Teezer brush instead of a Denman brush or even your standard paddle brush, just because if I were to use a Denman brush in her hair, the tangles would be a lot harder to get out. The Tangle Teezer is good for her hair pattern and her hair texture, and the thickness of her hair. It's a lot more gentle. The bristles on the brush are more flexible. I did wash her hair. For some reason the camera cut out and I was not able to film me washing and conditioning her hair, but these are the two products that I use. Her hair is super clean now. I did wash it 3 times just to make sure it was out, but now that her hair is completely washed and conditioned, I do leave a little bit of conditioner in her hair, and I did go in with the Revlon heat protectant. I am using the Dyson blow dryer. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with it. I love it for her hair just because if I use a regular blow dryer, it'll take me about 30 minutes just to completely blow dry her hair. But if I use the Dyson, that time is cut in half. The only thing with the Dyson, and some people might unsubscribe or just cut off the video at this point, but I don't know if it's just me, but the Dyson does too good of a job. It dries your hair super fast, but on the flip side of that, your hair is a lot drier than what it normally would be if you used a regular blow dryer, which is why I left a little bit of conditioner in her hair and I did a heat protectant. She wanted 2 buns for her hairstyle. She's getting a little bit older, so she likes to tell me how she wants her hair now. So this is the final look. I did add a little bit of edge control just along her part in her hairline, and I'm taking the hair and wrapping it around and tucking it in the hair tie. Usually this hairstyle will last about 3 to 4 days, and then I have to go in and touch it back up. But for the most part, when I do blow dry her hair, it lasts for about a week. I don't always blow dry her hair. I'll blow dry her hair once every 5 to 6 months, so it's not too often. But when I do, the hairstyle lasts a little bit longer and it is a little bit easier to maintain. And if the buns don't work out, we always let her hair down and she loves that as well. But now I'm just going in with the edge control and a little bit of Got to Be Glued to lay down her baby hairs, and I usually won't have to touch them up until like day 4 just because she sweats a lot. But this is the final look and she loves it, and now she's off.